Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In this chapter, we will review the various law firm templates provided within this product. For digital downloads and DVDs, these templates appear within the main folder when browsing the content of the product you purchased from TeachUComp Incorporated. You can also open the Excel templates by clicking the template hyperlinks within the product interface in either the digital download, DVD, or online versions, and then saving the opened templates to your computer. The remainder of this chapter will cover the usage of these templates. Note that there are many other types of templates available online for your use as well. Advanced users can even create their own templates too. We will now review the templates within this product and show how they can be used within a law firm.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.